There was a family with two school-age kids with us, and Captain Daniel was so great to explain sailing details to them, which helped me better understand all the sails as well. I highly recommend you book a trip with him.
Wonderful day of sailing. It was so relaxing and fun. We will definitely be going back again. Fee was very affordable too, especially for children, where kids sail for their age per hour. Holy cow! What other sailing charter does that? $12 an hour for my oldest and $8 an hour for my youngest? Great deal. Wonderful company. We loved it.